What's up, everybody? It's 13 with my fifth, it's a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth Juke headlight build. I think that makes me like the foremost expert on Nissan Juke headlight builds. We have the Morimoto MD2S projector lens assembly with the MCR shroud. Ooh, that thing fits in there real nice. I like it. I was wanting to do this one for quite some time because of those little eyelets down there. They glow when the headlight is on, but I thought they kind of accented the gator lights on the Juke, and so I was pretty excited to do this. Opportunity came around and the customer was down for it. We also have the Profile Prism RGB halos, which nestle on very nicely onto these shrouds. It looks pro. I dig it. All chrome interior, so no paintwork, no clear coat, none of that jazz. Just some raw function with a little bit of pretty. And so I will turn on those for you now. Boo-wee! Oh man, that's just too bright. Let's see if I can turn it down a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Now the camera can handle it. So they are controlled independently via the Morimoto Bluetooth app, and that's that one. And right now I've got the color down real low so the camera can handle it, but as you can see, that is the white mode, and then I'll turn that one to white as well, so they can be linked together and controlled like that. Let's see, so now we're not linked. Sorry, I lied to you. Now we're linked. Woo! That is red. If I turn it down real low, you can actually see it as red. Or if I turn it up, that's white. You get the idea. We've seen this app a million times, but what I'm really actually looking to show you on this particular kit is being the fifth one. I've really come a long way is just the nuances of this particular style. So I'm using the backside here. I'm using a boot container, and so it houses it in there real nice. And I'm using the straight D2S adapter, so it goes into an amp connection into the igniter. And then I've got the high beam, and this is of course the RGB wiring. But it's nice and clean and tidy and airtight. Not airtight, but watertight. And then I also install these breather valves on the side there. This is where the OEM ballast goes. So we're not using an OEM ballast, we're using the Morimoto 30 watts or 35 watts. That'll be these guys right here, beautiful. And so obviously this is a mess of wires, so we wouldn't do that in the car, but actually firing this bad boy up for you. Oh man, I love that shroud. See how it kind of like lights up around it? That's just the light kind of like oozing out. Presumably normally you would do a halo behind the shroud to light those up, but I think it looks pretty nice even without. So then, check out that beam output pattern, man. It's gorgeous. So that's what you're looking at out of a Juke 2011 to 2014. So that's awesome. Let's see if we can get right up on it. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, look how sexy that is. Yeah, boy! Alright. And that is that's what we're looking at. Oh yeah, you know what I wanted to mention though? The as per the usual, shit, how do I do this then? That's, ow. Come on, there it is. Nope, nope, nope. Man, I'm just all screwing up. There it is. Now it's a blinker. It's a blinker too. Alright, I think I've done about all I can do here today. It's 13 with Morimoto ByThirteen. Thank you very much for checking out the video, and I'll see you later. Happy juking on Juke Lukes. Bring your green hat.